Hi, welcome back to Northern Country Creations. I'm Jody, and we're going to do another hashtag junk journal book review. And this one is the one where I made a whole bunch of tags using a dictionary. So this is a first dictionary by Macmillan. And here is the ISBN number 0-0-2195250-7. And so let's take a look at this book. It is 8.5 by 11.5. So this book here was a school book, and let's see if we can find the printing of it. I don't see, unless there was a page here, but this is taped together. I bought it this way. Might be here. Oh, here, I missed it. Totally missed it. So this is copyright 1981. So this book here, I love this because I have two of these. I've nearly cut up one, which I've made a lot of my ephemera from. I've used the letters out of here. I have fussy cut almost every image out. But then I also, I make pockets. But the other fun thing is that you can take, a word, say barbecue, and you can cut this out. I found some that had the pictures with it. So for instance, like, actually I think this was in my spring journal that I just did. So like I took a, where I could cut out the image with the word next to it, and that's what I don't see. There's a page missing here part, and I made all of those laminated. So I took shelf contact paper and I put the image next to the word and did like these little vocabulary like ephemera, and kind of did a collage with them with lace or ribbon, fabric pieces, and kind of made like a little journaling card that you can write on the back. And I would put it on, I used like some heavy craft paper is what I did. Like, look at this beautiful bird here. So like you could cut out feather, cut this out, and then make a journaling card. But this is an entire dictionary, so look at all of the just hundreds of images that you can cut out. Like I said, I've made pockets, I've made tags, I've collaged with small images. You can cut out small parts and put them on like your call memos or your I'm just trying to think, library cards, whatever you have, whatever you're working with, like those pink memo pads. Guest checks. Okay, so I stopped the camera for a second and I grabbed these cards, which is what I used with this book. So this is what I did. This is actually contact paper, and I put the paper and then contact paper and then onto, this is like kind of thick craft paper. And then I laminated it, and of course then I sewed around it to make sure it's sealed, and I just added some trim. Here's another one that I added. It's just a piece of ribbon or fabric here. Here's one with a chicken, and I put some country, a checkered fabric there. Here's one where I put some yellow rickrack, and see, these are like little journaling cards that I tucked throughout. So that's what I wanted to show you, how I used this book. So we'll finish going through it here, and it's just a wonderful book to use. you know, and I get a lot of my books, thrift stores, garage sales, thrift books if I'm looking for something really specific. There's also Better World books, and then there is also, I use 3 of them. Oh, look at this. See, these are nice. You could cut these out and do collaging with those. Yeah, because I think if I remember right, yeah, the back of the book is like really bright primary colors in the back here. Kind of a lot of fun. It's you know, to do things. So, so there is that book, and that is one of my favorite dictionary books that I use. So, all right. Thank you so much, and always, you know, send me a message if you, or make a comment down below if you're wanting some other information about the books that I show. All right, thank you so much. Bye-bye.